I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying your PC's Bluetooth capability and getting the earbuds into pairing mode. Make sure the PC's Bluetooth adapter is enabled and the Beats are charged. Once done, open the case and press the system button until the LED flashes white to enter pairing. Make sure to remove or disconnect the Beats from phones or tablets first, because active connections prevent pairing with the PC. This step prevents conflicts and speeds discovery when you add a new device. Now switch to Windows and Open Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and choose Add Device right arrow Bluetooth. Keep the Beats case open and the LEDs flashing while Windows scans. You should see Beats Fit Pro appear in the list. Select it, confirm any pairing prompts, and let Windows install the audio and hands-free drivers automatically. Once the system shows paired or connected, make sure to set Beats as the default output and input in sound settings so audio and mic route correctly. Complete setup by opening sound settings and selecting Beats Fit Pro as the default output, and, if needed, the input device for your microphone. If audio is low quality or the mic isn't working, make sure the Bluetooth driver on the PC is current and that Windows isn't using a secondary headset profile. If pairing keeps failing, turn Bluetooth off and on, rerun Add Device, and as a last resort, reset the Beats by holding the system button for about 15 seconds to clear prior pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.